You might be wondering what I am looking at. I'm just taking in a present moment. So many times I walk past this water hole here and not give it any attention, but this morning I heard the ice crackle, and it's the snow melting of the branches dropping down onto the ice. And I have decided to be present with it and witness it as nature's beauty, nature's symphony. It seems like a mundane thing, and how many people pass by here in a hurry every day, and they don't stop to listen, to observe, to witness, to take in the sounds of nature. I am absolutely captivated. How could something like this frozen mess, be so beautiful? The glistening crystals and raindrops falling down onto the ice. Nature is beautiful.